Start with practice set 11.1 question number 2. The question is like this. The following table shows the electricity in unit used by the 25 families of the Eklara village in the month of the May. Complete the table. Means you have to fill the table and you have to solve the question. Here one of the village Eklara, the details of the month of the May is given. According to that, this electricity use and the number of families means in the month of the May, 7 family in that village use the 30 units, 2 families use 45 units, 8 family use the 60 units, and 5 family use the 75 units, and 3 family use 90 units in the month of the May. According to that, you have to fill the table. So here you have to find out Fi into Xi, means you have to do the product of the 7 into 30, 7 multiplied by 30. Here you have to do the product of the 2 multiplied by 45. Here you have to do the product of 8 multiplied by 60, because you have to do the product of the Fi into Xi, 8 into 60. After that you have to do the product of 5 into 75 and 3 into 90. So 7 into 30 is equal to, that will come 210. 45 into 90, 45 into 2 is equal to 90 will come. Then this 8 into 60 is equal to 480. Then 75 into 5 is equal to 375. And 90 into 30 is equal to 270. And if you will do the sum of Fi into Xi, you have to do the sum of Fi into Xi, means you have to addition of this, all this plus this plus this plus this plus this you have to do. At that time sum of Fi into Xi will come 1425. And this is the data of the 25 families. The sum of this will come 25. And according to that, you have to find out the mean electricity used on that month by 25 families, that you have to find out. So mean is equal to sum of Fi into Xi upon sum of Fi. This will 1425 upon what you have to say 25. You have to do the division. After division, this after dividing this 1425 by 25, your answer will come 57. And according to that, you have to find the answer of these questions. Then what is these questions are like this: how many families use the 45 unit electricity? This is the units, 45 units electricity. These are the families. 45 units electricity. 2 families use the 45 unit electricity on that month. So here you have to say that 2 families. Then state the score, the frequency of which is 5. Frequency of which is 5 means this 5 families, the frequency of this 5 families use how many units? This 75 units, means score of the 5 family is 75. So I will write this one is 75. Find N and sum of Fi into Xi. N means sum of all the frequency. N is equal to what will come 25. And sum of Fi into Xi is equal to, this will come 1425. You have to write 1425. Find the mean electricity used by each family in the month of the May. You have to find out the mean. Here we are getting the mean electricity used by the family in the month of the May of that village is equal to 57 units. In this way, you have to solve this question. So I think you understood this question. Write all these things in the classwork notebook. Thank you.